Uy, teka, bakit ngayon ko lang naisipan itry ito? Ito yung pizza na masasabi ko ring panalo talaga sa lasa. Kaya pala viral to ngayon. This is Captain Crust. And totoo nga, ang sarap ng mga pizza nila dito. Available for dine-in and take-out. Located sila dito sa Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. Nagulat kami nang pumunta dito dahil tagong-tago yung dining place nila. Open lang from Friday to Sunday. Pero super worth it. And don't worry, available every day ang pizza nila for takeout and delivery. Ang cozy ng ambience, nice hangout place, they are serving Italian-American cuisine, sulit sa presyo, and nice yung service nila dito. At may pa-complimentary bread pa while waiting for our orders. Ang fresh ng salad nila, madami din ang isang serving. We also love the seafood pasta, one of my favorites here. For me, ito yung pinakapanalo sa lahat, their freshly baked pizza. I love this Napolitana-style thin crust pizza, so mouth-watering ang sarap. Masarap din itong all-meat Detroit-style pizza. Makapal and rectangular shape, kitang-kita nyo naman, super sulit sa toppings, ang sarap nito, promise. Naku guys, you should try Captain Crust. Thanks for watching Locals, follow us for more.